Okay. About to get smoked right now. No, I'm in the tree now. Okay, well, at least I can unhook the fish. Got the small one. Oh.
They're eating good.
Hmm?
They're eating good.
You want to use one?
No, what is it? Like the fish are just fat.
Oh yeah. They probably eat. This is probably what they're feeding on. That's why. It's pretty high. You got one? Oh, dang it. Oh, I don't expect that. Thank you, sir. Hey. Oh, fuck.
I think there's a pike minnow up there too.
I think I have one. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I was talking to him. Like 3 fish. What I was talking.
Oh, there's hella crowded. There's another one right there.
Nothing big enough. Yeah. So they're all eating the babies of those.
Yeah. Could be a smallmouth, could be a spot. Might be a spotted bass. Yeah, it's a spotted
This
bass.
one looks like a large.
Sunfish looked at it. Oh my god.
remember? Do you remember that weekend when you jumped off?
I avoided shit, so I was not
You actually almost died.
spot. You go up.
Yeah, I'll catch up with you. I could have fit him. Oh, sunfish got it. Yeah, it looks way different from last year. Alright, next spot. When you catch your thing, put it right there. Oh, you got it. Oh, he got it. He got it.
No, we got the tail.
Oh, he dropped. Oh, he dropped it.
Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he's probably just pushing off.
Yeah. Look on the plant. There you go. It should be right here.
There you go. Yeah, that's a nice nail. Oh,
What? Why is he bleeding? I don't know why he's bleeding.
yeah, I don't know why he's bleeding because I was like, down right there.
Oh, dang. Sorry, dude. Oh, it's a sunfish. Shit. Ooh. Oh. There's a lot of fish under this tree. Got him. Got one of the bigger ones. Oh, shoot. I just kept flipping. Oh, something hit right there. Oh, okay, I saw him. That one was really small. Oh my god! Oh, there's a deep hole in it. Oh, got it. Got that fish. Thank you, sir. There we go. Oh, swam right to that tree. Oh, dang, you hit it right when it dropped. What a spot this is. Ooh, strong swimmer. It's swimming right up. There's another one there. Oh, two followed it up. Oh, got him. Probably my biggest of the day.